In this video, we will see how to insert table styles in Excel sheet. How to change the different table styles in Excel sheet. This is my table. I just select any cell. You can see here the table design tab is automatically added here. Just click on that. You can see here this is the table styles available different. Okay, I just want to change one. Okay, and select it. And I want to change this table style options. You can see here you can change easily on click on that. I just click on this first column, just first column, second banded column. You can see here changes is show here and also show in my table also column. See here and here also total row, first column, last column. See banded column. So you can easily change the table style. Now is table style this way. If you deselect this total row, now your table style is different way. If you select the total row, you can see here the total amount, and if you select any style, you get the same effect as we selected. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.